Tidbit number 2.
Let's create a vector brush. We do this by going to Lightbox, Projects, Miscellaneous, and pick one of these templates. These templates were designed specifically to make vector brushes. I'm going to pick template 1024. ZBrush is going to ask me if I want to save this project. I'm going to say no. Now I'm going to hit X for mirroring on X-axis and begin sculpting. One thing to note is do not mess up the borders of this square. That will disrupt the vector brush. You can pull the center geometry beyond the borders of the square, but don't disrupt the actual geometry borders. I am creating a little weird hole thing for crazy monster creatures. Okay, now that we got something we like, it's time to store the brush so we can use it. I'm going to do this by going to a pre-existing vector brush set, Chisel 3D. Then I will go up to the brush menu and go down to From Mesh. This will then create the new vector brush and place it at the end of the line. Now we can go ahead and try it out. We definitely needed to add some more geometry here for this to work. And now we can make tons and tons of strange little monster holes. Also, don't forget to save your brush by going to the brush menu and hitting Save As. Hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much for watching.